DeepL AI versus Google Translate. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So, both DeepL and Google Translate are widely used tools, but they offer very different experiences when it comes to accuracy, ease of use, and features. So, let's break them down. Number one is their accuracy and context understanding. DeepL is known for its fluency and tone accuracy, especially in European languages like German, French, and Spanish. It captures nuance and formality better than Google. On the other hand, Google Translate supports more languages globally, but it sometimes delivers robotic or literal translations, and that miss the emotional tone. Number two is the language coverage. Google supports over 130 plus languages, while DeepL supports fewer, around 30 plus major ones. If you need coverage for Asian or African dialects, you can go for Google. Number three is their features and platforms. DeepL offers formal versus informal tone control, inline editing, and strong support for document translation. It's better for professional use, especially translating full paragraphs or legal or business text. While Google Translate is more versatile for quick mobile translations, camera scanning, voice input, and offline access, which is great for travel and casual use. Number four is their integration and ecosystem. Google Translate is integrated across the Google ecosystem, like Android, Chrome, and Gmail, and it works well for day-to-day needs. While DeepL is best for professionals using its desktop app or web tool for polished result. Number 5 is their pricing. Google Translate is 100% free, while DeepL has a free tier, but its pro version unlocks unlimited text, file translation, and API access for businesses. So, for final verdict, if you're looking for high quality professional translations and work with European languages, you can go for DeepL. But for general use, more language coverage, and more mobility, you can go for Google Translate. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.